67 set in one screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Wow, look at this. Comes, you have your instruction here, comes in this amazing carry-in case right here. You got a safety lock and right here, but you can see this is good for like small gadgets like computer, phone, TV remote, whatever you need to fix remote controls and stuff for the cars. Any toy car or toys for the kids, this is perfect. Look at all this. Everything is label and name. It's a good, decent quality. It got good reviews on Amazon, and we're gonna test it out to make sure it lives up to that review. So this is right here. It comes with a charger, so we charge it up. So if we lift this part over, oh my god, wow. Now this, I'm blown away by this. We got a key, we got extra storage box, we got the charger, we got more magnetic piece. Look at this. Oh man, this is a easy twist turn one. We have so much stuff. A brush to clean, tweezer. Listen, this will make a perfect gift overall to our household use. Let's go ahead and take this plastic out. All right, so this is the beautiful machine right here. It's very nice, lightweight. You can see it lights up. There's 3 LED lights. So you go reverse and L, right and left. So you go right and then you go left. So that's pretty neat. So we got a remote control here. We're gonna take the battery out. Remember, this is only for light work, small stuff. Do not put it on heavy duty stuff. It's not gonna get it out. All right. So you want to make sure you've stuck it in good. Hold it down right, and then press the L button. Look at that. See that? Whoa, we lost our screw. And we found our screw back, buddy. Done. Not bad. And you see how these screws are all the way inside to the bottom. Then you come over here, you got these guys. See them right there? They're more longer, so they will reach farther in there to get the screw out. So that's amazing. For price and details, check in the description box below. I love this. It's pretty nice. And then when you're done, you could easily put everything and store it away. So this way you could come back later on and find your tool. If you guys know, sometimes when you need a tool, you can't find it. You look all over in your junk drawer and you can't find it. But this, with a kit like this, you could find it anywhere. Tells you right here everything. Look at that. Everything that came inside and stuff like that. It's really good. It's really nice. The battery volt is 3.7. Charging time 45 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. It's a nice product, really good for smaller appliance stuff, you know, computer and whatever and stuff like that. A lot of toys, hard to reach places, definitely good.